Chat GPT is a very useful tool to create content quickly and easily. In this example, I'm going to ask Chat GPT to create a 500-word blog post about data security. When you are creating content with Chat GPT, the best thing to do is to give it as much detail as possible. So I would ask it to create a 500-word blog post about data security. In the blog post, detail 5 elements that every business should be aware of. While ChatGPT now creates the blog post for me, I can quickly read and see what it has been created. When it is finished, it is best to copy the data that is made and put it into a Microsoft Word document. There you can check for any spelling errors or, more to the point, any Americanisms that might be used.